Good morning, students. Welcome back to mathematics class of 11th after summer break of 1 month, near about 1 month. I hope that you have enjoyed your summer holidays due this pandemic COVID-19 also. Now, it is the time to again concentrate on studies. In the coming 2-3 days, we will only do revision of the top topic in the month of April and May. And actually, I don't know how many students are there in commerce section. It is better to make a group of students who have opted maths in commerce section, so that I can convey you your doubts very clearly. I think that you will intimate me further. Now, I have give you a review of the new topic, that is applied mathematics, that is introduced by CBSE in the curriculum in the session 2020-21. And as I had told you earlier, the book is not available in the market till now. I have done an inquiry. It's not came till now. But we have decided we will learn the common topics, that is for maths commerce students as well as PCM students. That is, in the counseling session, I had told you the common topics, that is first one sets, relation functions, sequence and series, and etc. And we have completed the topic sets. But I want to say one thing, that the science students have to concentrate on Adi Sharma, because without doing Adi Sharma, you can't, you can't succeed in any competitive examination. And the book that I have, the PDF of the book that I have given you is not updated book. In number of chapters, number of topics were included later. Now let us start. I am just doing the revision. Let us start the topic sets. Sets, do you remember what is the definition of sets? Set is the well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects. This word well-defined has a very important meaning. Until and unless you can't define it properly, it is not a set. Example, I am taking a set. Set is denoted by capital letters. I am taking a set A, the set of all famous persons of India. Famous persons of India. This is not a set. ये सेट हो सकता है क्या, बताइए? आप तो हाई कहेंगे, बिकॉज आप इस वर्ड को इंपॉर्टेंस देना है. इस वर्ड के अनुसार दिस इज नॉट ए सेट. बाय famous person may have from different field. Famous person came from scientific field, famous person came from teachers field, famous person came from cinematic field, like that. So that until and unless this is not well defined, it is not a set. Now I am again and each set is denoted by capital letters. I am taking a set, say set A, and set is denoted by the curly bracket. I am taking the set of all vowels A, E, I, O, U. Is it a set? बोलिए बच्चों, अगर आपको ध्यान है तो हाँ, this is a set. Why? Because this set is taken from a basic set. What is the basic set? इसको बनाने के लिए हमने कौन सा set लिया था? That is set of all English alphabets. Set of all English alphabets. That is, this is the basic set, and from this basic set we have selected this. This has a well definition. This can take only A, E, I, O, U. That is why this is a set. And A, E, I, O, U are called elements. Elements को ELTS भी लिख सकते हैं, ELETS भी लिख सकते हैं. Elements or member of the set. Now see how we can symbolically write the element in the set. See, A is an element of set A. This can be written as A belongs to. इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं? A belongs to set A. See, is there any B in this set? No. So that B does not belongs to आगे कट लगाना, does not belongs to A. In this way, every element of set can be listed and each set is denoted by capital letters. Now next is in which way we can represent set. Sets can be represented in two forms. Can be represented in two forms. First form is roster form. Roster form. Do you remember? किसी को याद आ रहा है? Roster form. Second one is set builder form. Set builder form. In roster form, what we have done? Anybody has an idea? In set roster form, the elements of the sets are listed directly. Elements are listed directly. And in set builder form, elements are listed directly. In set builder form, the set is represented by statement form. Statement form. Now, I am giving you this by an example. I am taking the set A, set of all even numbers. In roster form कैसे लिखेंगे even numbers को? 2, 4, 6, etc. like that. The uncountable numbers elements are here. This is which form? This is the roster form. Now in set builder form we can write this. The set A is the set, इसको पढ़ते हैं the set X such that, इसको क्या पढ़ता है? such that को ऐसे भी सिंबल लगा सकते हैं, स्लैश भी लगा सकते हैं. It is better to write colon. Set X such that X equal to 2n. Why I have written 2n? Because it is a multiple of 2. And n can be from which set? N is from set of all natural numbers. This is roster form. This is set builder form. Now, how we can find the symbol of different numbers of set, different sets in symbolical form. First one, let us start W. W is the set of all whole numbers. N is the set of all natural numbers. And Q is the set of all rational numbers. Z is the set of all integers. If you take Z plus, this is a set of all positive integers. Positive integers. And Z minus, set of all negative integers. And R is the set of all real numbers. If you write R plus, that is set of all positive real numbers, R minus set of all negative real number. Now, these are the symbolical form of different types of sets. Next topic is how we can find, let me go through it. You must know each and every topic very clearly. Now, how we can write in set builder form, how we can write in roster form. You got it thoroughly. I think that now today you just go through the exercises 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 that I had sent you, so that it will be clear. Those students who haven't attended the previous classes, they can also get it clear from this video class as well as from exercise question. Next one is, what do you mean by empty set? Empty means क्या होता है? Empty का मतलब क्या होता है? खाली. Empty set is the set which does not have any element. कोई भी element नहीं हो. That is, the empty set is denoted by phi. इसका spelling है F-I-E. You have to pronounce it as phi, not phi. And either you can represent by phi, or it can be represented by just by putting two curly brackets without any element in the set. But most of the students used to do a mistake, that is, they used to write this is an empty set. This is not an empty set. Phi, this is a set and the phi is coming as an element of this set. So that this set can be called as Singleton set, singleton set, singleton set. The meaning is understood. Singleton set is set having only one element. Now, what is the next topic? What do you mean by finite and infinite set? Finite set means finite मतलब क्या होता है? Countable elements. Finite sets having finite number of elements. Finite या countable number of elements. Countable number of elements. Example I am taking. First of all, I am writing in set builder form the set x such that 3 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? x को ऐसे बनाया, x का वैल्यू 3 से 10 तक स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. तो मैं इसको सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखूंगी. मैं कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूंगी? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of elements को लिखते हैं na. कितना आ रहा है? 5. Countable हो रहा है. So that this is finite set. Can you give an example of infinite? Infinite means uncountable number of elements. Infinite set example is I am taking set of full natural numbers. Natural number कहाँ से start होते हैं? 1 से. 1, 2. Can you find the last element of natural set of natural numbers? No. So that it is infinite set. That is the types of